Hello everyone, Dr.Devika Bhatnagar welcomes you all. English for competitive exams and academic exams. Yes. So today we'll see very important topic and easy topic and must topic, that is types of sentences. We know what is sentence. Sentence means group of words which make some meaning. So those kind of group of words which is giving a meaning, we call it as a sentence. Now there are different types of sentences that we are going to see. Before going to the session, I must tell you all, it's a request from my side, please do subscribe to our channel and support the channel, and all the videos at the rate free of cost and with lot of time and energy I am preparing for you all. Please do subscribe and also follow these videos, forward these videos. Okay. Now coming to the sentence. Sentence means we know there are 4 types of sentence, simple sentences, and of course there are some more in depth if you want to go, like complex sentences, compound sentences, all those things are also there. But now today is a basic class, basic what kind of sentences are there, so that we'll see today. Okay. Now out of 4 types of sentences, the first one is that declarative or assertive sentence. Declarative or assertive means giving a statement, assertively saying something that I have done, I am doing this. So I am teaching, it's a declaration, something we are declaring. Assertively when you speak, when you give a statement, that is called as declarative or assertive sentence, anything we can say. If you see what it is means, a sentence that makes a statement is called a declarative sentence. A sentence which is giving you or making a declarative, okay, a statement which makes a statement is called declarative sentence. Statement, I am giving a statement. Example will see, she is my mother. If someone is asking me who is she, then I would say she is my mother. She is my mother means I am declaring that she is my mother. She is my sister. He is my uncle. Like assertively you are declaring something, that is declarative sentence. She is my mother. Next one, I went to Tirupati last week. I am saying that last week I went to Tirupati. Okay, I went to Tirupati last week. So this is also a statement. Anything positively when you are speaking, when you are saying something, that is declarative or assertive sentence. Okay. And the second one is that imperative sentence. Imperative let me take a marker. Imperative sentence. Imperative sentence means a sentence which shows command, request or order. Any sentence which is having any of these things, like having command in that sentence, or in that sentence you are finding a request or order, any of these things if you are finding, that is imperative sentence. Please speak along with me, you will be able to remember. Okay, imperative sentence we call it. Let's see an example. First example is that please get me a glass of water. Please get me a glass of water. What it is saying? It's a request. Please get me a glass of water. Please pass me the file. Please can you do a favor for me? All these things are request. Kindly don't disobey my orders. Don't disobey my orders means that's a command. Kindly. Okay, so that's a request. When you are finding something in the sentence that's the request, then that is the imperative. Now in this sentence we are finding request. Okay, please get me a glass of water. Second one is that keep quiet, don't talk. Teachers generally they say this sentence, keep quiet, don't talk, means it's a command, strongly saying don't do this work, don't go that side. Okay, don't watch movie now, do your homework now. All these things are commands. Okay, command, request or order, anything you can say, that is imperative sentence. About declarative or assertive over, imperative over. Now next third one is that interrogative sentence. Interrogative means question form you are asking, interrogating. Are you doing, are you watching my video? Are you writing the notes? All these things are interrogative. I am asking question. Whenever you are asking any question, that is interrogative sentence. Now what do you say? A sentence that asks a question is called interrogative statement. Okay. So interrogative statement, interrogative sentence you can say is question. Example we are saying, where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Question. What are you doing? Question. What do you want? Question. Right? So all these things are interrogative. Now another example. What is your native place? What is your native place? And where are you from? Like any kind of question. Which color do you like? Which ice cream you want? Which movie you want to watch? Who is your favorite hero? Who is your favorite teacher? All these things are questions. All the questions we say it as a interrogative sentence. Am I clear? Next, last one is that exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence means a sentence that expresses strong feelings. Strong feelings. Maybe a sad, surprise, shocking, all such kind of feelings. Whenever we express that, we call it as a exclamatory sentence. Example, alas, I lost my cell phone. Alas, oh my God, I lost my cell phone. Alas means it's a expression. What kind of expression? Sorrow. Oh, I lost it. Another sentence, hooray, I got top rank in my class. I got top rank in my university. Hooray, it's a happy expression. Happy, surprise, and very much excited. So this kind of strong feelings whenever you have, whether it may be happy or unhappy. So those sentences we call it as a exclamatory sentences. Am I clear? First take the screenshot. If you understand this concept, next we'll have exercise, or you can say it as a quiz. Okay, in that quiz you will be given 10 questions. 10 questions, you have to identify each sentence, whether it's a exclamatory or imperative or otherwise what do you say, declarative. Okay, what kind of sentence it is, you have to identify that. Stay connected. Here is a test for you. I have given you total 10 questions, okay, 10 sentences in fact. So you have to identify what type of sentence it is. Is it assertive or imperative or interrogative or exclamatory? What type of sentence it is? Let me read out. We should work hard. Don't be lazy. Lotus temple is beautiful. Why are you late today? Kindly pay the rent on time. Wow, how beautiful this Shimla is. Please try to listen to me. Oh my God, I got injured. I can speak English, Hindi and Telugu fluently. When do you finish your work? That's it. Take a screenshot. Now, if you understood today's class, I'm sure you'll get 10 out of 10. Check out your answers in the description box. Description answers are given, check out and write your answers in the comment box if you are following it seriously. I would like to read your answers and I love to read your answers, and also write your score out of 10, how much you got. Is it a 5 by 10, 10 by 10, 8 by 10, whatever it may be, please write it in the comment box sincerely. I'll be waiting for your comments. In the coming classes, I'm going to cover a lot more topics. Please stay connected, learn seriously. Don't forget to share these videos. Good luck.